smoked meatball subs that will blow your mind, people. Let's get involved. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. Hey guys, welcome to Barbecue Jam. So tonight we've got smoked meatball subs. It's gonna blow your mind. It's insane. You're gonna love it. So tonight on the roster we have Ryan Cobb playing some bass for us tonight. Also we have Bryce Powell. He's gonna be playing some guitar for us, along with Tyler Mobley, newcomer tonight. Gonna be playing guitars as well. Myself, Will Blimbrick's gonna be on the drums. Guys, let's get involved. Peace. All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna fire up this Weber kettle. We're gonna light our tumbleweed here. All right, and we've got our charcoals here. We're just gonna stick this right on top. Take about 14-15 minutes. Thing's gonna be all, once it comes all the way up top and they're all lit is what you're looking for. And then you dump it into this trough right here. I've got some water in here as well. So anyway, you guys hang tight, here we go. All right guys, here we go. It's time to make some meatballs. So what I'm gonna use is, I'm gonna use some 80/20 ground chuck, and it's about 2.5 pounds worth of the beef. And then I'm gonna be using 1 pound of the ground veal. So here we go. Just gonna mix it all up in this bowl. All right, 1 pound of veal. If you can get it, that would be great. Veal's gonna go really well with this, but if not, you can always do some pork, some ground pork. By the way, guys, if you guys are enjoying this channel, please like and subscribe. It helps us out so much. We enjoy making these videos every week for you guys. We have such a ball over here, and we just want to keep it growing. Keep it, get some really cool guests on here, get some great cooks going on, and just try to bring you guys some really cool stuff every week, and just, you know, just help support us. We would love that. So anyway, hope you guys are enjoying these jams. We're enjoying ourselves and we're having a good time over here. So you guys get involved. Here we go. Okay, here we go. We're rolling smoke over here, people. We're just going for it. 1 bunch of parsley. All right, so since I bought these monster garlics, I think we're just gonna go in with 1 of these big bulbs, but typically you wanna use about 6 small cloves. So anyway, let's chop it all up. Mince it up, shall we? Good. Go ahead and get this guy in the bowl. Perfect. So next up, we're gonna be going in with some Panko Crumbs. We're gonna be doing 1/2 cup. Putting in some beef stock now. About 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of that, and 1/4 cup of buttermilk.
More buttermilk than you'll use.
So next we're gonna go in with 2 eggs, and we're gonna be adding 3 egg yolks as well to this. One, 2, 3. Look at that. 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. All this?
Yeah. Just
about 1/4 cup. There you go. Just eyeballing it here, but 1/4 cup. Do some chili flake. That's There we go. Half a teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of fennel. There we go. All right. Okay guys, keep in mind when you're putting these chimneys together with this charcoal, you want that charcoal to get lit all the way to the top like it is right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and jump in. And that's it. Move these around a little bit, kind of give them place. And we're gonna be doing an indirect cook tonight, by the way, on these meatballs. Here we go, we're gonna put our grate back on. And we're getting ready to start cooking, people. Okay, all right, let's mix this guy up. Oh man, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. Beautiful. Okay.
Is that still on there? Okay, cool, thanks.
All right guys, let's go ahead and get this into our meat for our meatballs. Oh man, this smells incredible. Ooh, let me put this over here. Get a good shot over here. Now let's go ahead and get all this incorporated. So guys, what you want to do is get your meatballs, you want to do about a golf ball size meatball. Just do a nice little ball. Boom, there you go. Alright guys, this is how I'm laying them out. I'm putting on this sort of baking rack. It makes it so much easier to place. So I'm gonna place these guys real quick because this is gonna be hot, just like that. Actually, I gotta move these guys back some. I'm just trying to keep these off the fire. I want these to cook indirectly. That's why I'm moving these meatballs out of the way. So if you're wondering why I'm doing that, that's why I'm doing it. These two guys are gonna get kind of hit. I'm gonna kind of scooch these guys in a little bit. Guys, let's put some pepper on these too, why not, you know? All right guys, here we go. We're gonna go with some pancetta bacon. We're gonna go ahead and make this sauce for the meatballs. So here we go. We got my nut stock pot going on, and with some nice pancetta bacon. Not that. There we go. Okay, now it's time to go with some onion. Time to add the garlic. Here we go. All right, so we've got our pancetta bacon in here. We've got our onions that have cooked down along with our garlic, and now we're going in with 1 can of crushed tomatoes. All right, guys, here we go. We're all cooked up. We're gonna let these rest for a moment, and then we're gonna pop them in the sauce. Ah, yeah. All right, guys, let's get these meatballs in some sauce. Woo, look at that. That is just looking gorgeous. Beautiful. All right. Hey, here we go, guys. Time to assemble these subs. Okay, I'm gonna do some mozzarella, and then I'm gonna do some provolone. And let's do a little basil on top, why not? Let's give it a little green on top. Now we're going on to the Weber to go ahead and melt this all down. So here we go. Smoked meatball subs. Come on, people. Smoked meatball subs that will blow your mind, people. Let's get involved. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, sweet. Let me get these guys ready to go over here. Man, look at these things. All right, guys. Tyler, what's up, dude?
What's up, my man?
Newcomer here tonight,
Yep.
bro. Thanks
It
for
is an
coming
honor.
in.
Thank you.
Sweet. You are welcome very much. Ryan, dude.
Well, good to
what's
see you
up,
again.
Bryce?
Good to see you, sir.
Coming in for some hot jams tonight and
Yeah.
some amazing
Some good
smoked
food.
meatball subs. You guys ready to get in?
I can't wait.
Absolutely.
All right. Without further ado, people, here we go. Just grab one. Oh, dude, those are dense.
This
dude.
thing's heavier than me.
Oh wow! Nice. Here we go. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Boom. Boom.
To meatballs.
Uh huh. Ooh, that's beautiful. That's nice.
It was delicious. Awesome.
Wow.
Amazing.
Yeah, Daddy like.
Yeah, this is really good.
Excellent. Excellent.
One
excellent.
bite.
Oh yeah, one bite. Everybody knows what. Well, here you go. Guys, that's amazing.
Fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean,
Yeah,
You guys
The
nice?
texture, I think the cheese on top was the right move.
Yeah, for sure.
It's got
Absolutely.
the smoky flavor in there too.
Yeah, it's got a little smoke ring on that meatball, which is really nice. Really, really nice.
seasoned perfect.
By the way, I put some hickory chunks on the on those coals when it was cooking, so I didn't share that on the video, but I actually have some wood that we were smoking in there. So
Nice.
there
Yeah,
you
really
go.
tasty.
You can definitely taste it. It's really good.
Oh man,
Bringing it home to mama.
I'm gonna take the spot.
Mamma mia.
Guys, thank y'all so much for being a part of the
Absolutely. Thank
show
you,
tonight.
Will.
Thanks for
These
having
jams
me,
are
man.
really killing it tonight, guys. Woo!
Absolutely.
We're gonna be getting back to you guys here in just a minute. You guys hang tight. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in with Barbecue Jams tonight. We had a killer time. These smoked meatball subs turned out insane. Everybody loved them, right guys? You loved them?
Oh,
yes,
yeah.
yes,
They're
yes, yes, loved them. I
They're
don't know
so
what-
good.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna hook a couple of you guys up with some stuff because you don't have a hat, right, Bryce?
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, dude. Absolutely, bro. All right, and it looks good too.
Yeah, thanks, man.
And for you, sir.
God bless you, sir.
Yeah,
God bless.
you got the newcomer here, and of course we gotta hook him up with the
Come on now.
the shirt. So
Christmas coming early.
that's right.
Barbecue jams, baby.
Yeah.
Represent. Let's go.
That's it. Let's
That's
go.
awesome.
It's official. He's been officially barbecue jammed.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's an honor.
Hey, and
always a pleasure.
You already got your stuff. You're all right. I appreciate you guys being here. But guys, everything turned out great. Please like and subscribe. You guys know the drill. Thank you, Derek Enner, for the swag as always. And let's get involved, people. Woo, woo. All right, cool.
Thank you.
Dude, thank you again.
Yeah, my pleasure. It's my pleasure. My pleasure, guys. Dude,
Always a pleasure.
all
sir.
right.
Thanks again.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
Good food, James.
Woo.
This is the best meatball sub I've ever had in my life, and I've had like 4 or 5.
All right. Sweet.